On Tuesdays, we start practice off with a cutting circuit. It's very important for our program for all of the players on our football team to do a great job cutting. It's also important that they understand all the safety aspect of cutting. Here you can see that we begin by taking a small jump set. We try to always maintain inside leverage. We lock out the defender to keep their hands down, and then we shoot for the top of the defender's kneecaps, keeping the eyes up and the pads down. It's very important for us with our offensive linemen that we always are coaching our punch and cut drill, because it's an important part of our quick game and some other aspects of our passing game and parts of our running game. The next thing that we coach in our cutting circuit is the backside pulling technique. Here, anytime we're running any outside runs that are 8 or 9 hole runs, going outside the tackle or tight end area, we're teaching our backside offensive linemen and tight ends to run what we call the backside pulling technique. Here we offset a bag where the cut will occur. We take the first 3 steps, and when we make, on the third step, we make our decision whether it be a cut or a climb. We position the bag both on and off the line to work both decisions. We explode through the bag, landing on our belly. And what we ask our players to do is to see how far downfield they could end up, keeping their eyes up, telling them they always must see what they are cutting. You must make sure that your players keep their eyes up and they get a nice slide all the way through the drill and as far as they can go. We're asking our players to go somewhere between 3 to 5 yards after the cut and to finish through the bags. Here they then finish through, they run back to the line, and they cut again. We're working our backside pulling technique often to make sure we do a great job on game day. The final drill we work in our cutting circuit is our angle cuts. Our angle cuts, we're working with a bag to the right and to the left and right in front of the player. The first and most important aspect of this drill is we must have a great takeoff. Eyes must stay up to see the target. The next thing we're asking is we want to explode off of your power and plant leg. We finally want to throw our shoulder and forearm through the point of attack while keeping our eyes up. Here you can see the bag is placed to the right of the offensive linemen that are running through this drill, and then we point it to the left of the offensive linemen, and then finally we'll have it right in front of them. We'll have our tight ends, our running backs, our wide receivers, and our O-linemen all participate in this drill based on the fact that we're cutting both defensive backs, we're cutting linebackers, and we're cutting the defensive line. It's an important part of our program, and therefore we will always commit one day of warm-up to a cutting circuit.